Because now we will discuss the image formed by the concave mirror. First of all, we have taken the concave mirror, and this is the principal axis P. This is the focus, principal focus. This is the center of curvature. ठीक है? In this case, there will be 6 cases, and we will draw the ray diagram for all the 6 cases where the object is placed and where the image is formed. Clear? First of all, we will take that object is at infinity. In first case means object बहुत ही दूर है. We have just imagined that A be an object as infinity, and we have taken the parallel rays coming from this object. First parallel rays is parallel to principal axis. Second is this. So we know that the case where when ray is parallel to principal axis, after reflection these rays will pass through the principal focus. After reflection this pass through principal focus. Similarly, after reflection this also pass through principal focus. So here at focus point, the point size image is formed that any object lying at infinity. Clear? So image formed at focus and its size diminished side point size, real and inverted image. This was the first case. And second case, when the object is beyond C, means same we have taken concave mirror, this is the pole, this is the focus, this is the center of curvature, and we have taken that object is beyond C, मतलब C तो परे पे object, ठीक है, beyond. So we have taken 2 rays. First is that is parallel to this principal axis, and second is pass through the center of curvature. We know that the ray that is parallel to principal axis, after reflection this ray will move or pass through the focus point, this point. This arrow is showing the reflected ray. Similarly, the ray passing through the center of curvature, after reflection this ray go in the same path to center of curvature. So where intersection, this point is the point of intersection. ठीक है? Here the image is formed, this image, if we have taken A, B object, so image will be A dash, B dash. So let us clear it is from the diagram that the size of the object is large as compared to size of the image. So image formed between, where image is formed between C and F. Clear? C ते F ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ, and diminished है, diminished means small sized है as compared to object, real है and inverted है, उल्टी image है. ठीक है? Now the third case, when object is at C, means object है ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ C point पे, let A B is the object. We have taken 2 rays parallel to principal axis and passing through the focus point. Parallel to principal axis, that will after reflection pass through the principal focus, and that ray passes through the focus, that will after reflection go the parallel to the principal axis. So object will also formed at C. So image object is at C, image is also at C, same side image है, but real and inverted, means here object like this A B, na, arrow we are showing above, and here arrow will become downward. So this image is A dash B dash, that is inverted image. Clear? Now next point is when object is in between C and F, मतलब ਜਦੋਂ object ਅਸੀਂ C ਤੇ F ਦੇ in between ਰੱਖ ਲਿਆ, same we have taken the concave mirror, object in between C and F, let A B is the object. First of all, the ray parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it go through the focus. Clear? This is the reflected ray. Similarly, second ray that pass through the center of curvature, that just meet to the this point, and after reflection it also go from center of curvature, and at this point A dash B dash image is formed. Now this is also clear from the diagram that as compared to size of the object, image size is very large. So image formed is beyond C. If object was in between C and F, image formed is beyond C in large image and real and inverted image. ठीक है? Next is fifth case, object at F. ਜਦੋਂ object ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ focus ਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਲਿਆ, ठीक है, ਜਦੋਂ object ਨੂੰ focus ਤੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ, the parallel ray parallel to principal axis, that will pass through the focus, and the ray passing through the center of curvature also go after reflection from center of curvature. These parallel rays will never meet, or they will meet at infinity. So we can say that image will formed at infinity, highly enlarged image as compared to object, real and inverted image will be there. Next is between P and F. When object is between P and F, this is the P pole of the mirror, this is the F focus, principal focus, and in between we have taken one object, AB. First of all, first ray that directly go to the pole at any angle I, so that ray will reflected like this at angle I. We have taken one when we have assumed the points for ray diagram, they have taken if we angle at angle I, any ray is incident on the mirror, so it will reflected at angle R after the reflection. Clear? So after that ray that is passing through the center of curvature, that will go after the reflection to center of curvature. These rays actually don't meet at the front of the mirror, they will just meet at the back of the mirror if we will raise them. So at the back of the mirror, image will be formed, AB image, erect image. So if object between P and F, then image behind the mirror, and it will be very large image, and virtual and erect image will be there. Clear? This was all about the image formed by the concave mirror. In this table, these 5 points are discussed. Clear? You have to just draw the ray diagram and understand this topic. If you will have any problem, you can ask.